Oh, don't. No. Okay. Right. So you won't believe what I've just got. Right, you see this Rubik's Cube? This is not an ordinary Rubik's Cube. This Rubik's Cube can send you to the multiverse. It can go deep dive into the multiverse. It's crazy. This old man gave us it. I don't know why, but he said it. He looked very truthful when he said it, so I hope it works. But yeah, this might be a trick. But I'm going to try it anyway. It's worth a try. So you have to twist it to make, like, set this up here. Anyway. Right, stand up. Yeah. Oh man, I can't stand it up. Right, I have to get something. Stand it up when I do it. Right. Yep. Hope I don't screw it up, but I'm just gonna try it. And you have to do it a few times too. Right. That way, you have to do it 10 times, I think. So. Oh no. Oh, it feels. Oh! Ah! Oh! It's gone wild. Oh, look. Oh, look at it. It's gone wild. Look at that. It's gone wild. I don't know what I just done, but surely it can't be good at. Oh no. What have I done?